In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wix website specifically tailored for musicians. Whether you're an established artist or just starting out, having an online presence is crucial in today's digital world. Let's dive into the process of creating a professional and vibrant website with Wix first. Head to Wix.com and navigate to the My Sites section. Here you'll find an overview of your current sites, if any, and the option to begin something new. From here, you'll want to click on Create New Site. This step is where the magic begins, offering you the opportunity to start building your unique online space. After that, select Create on Wix Editor. The Wix Editor is a powerful tool that lets you design your website visually, making it easier for you to bring your musical vision to life. Once you're in the editor, you'll be prompted to choose the type of site you want to create. Here, just type music in the search bar to filter the suggestions suitable for musicians. Next, click on Music Artist. This selection is crucial as it ensures that the features and design elements readily available align with the needs of musicians and bands. Following this, click on Continue to proceed with designing your site, configured specifically to showcase your musical works. Now it's time to get creative. Click on Design Site from the dashboard. You'll be taken to an area where you can choose a template. Click on Pick a Template to explore the variety of designs available. Choose one that resonates with your style and artistic persona and click Edit. This sets the stage for customization. Within the editor, explore the Add Elements option. Here you have the chance to add essential components like text boxes, images, videos, and even music players that feature your tracks. Think of it as a way to decorate your digital stage, showcasing your art and personality. Proceed to Add section, where you're able to integrate specific segments to your site like an About section, photo gallery, or a dedicated area for your music releases. Each section can be customized to highlight different aspects of your musical journey. The Pages and Menu feature allows you to organize the structure of your website efficiently. You can introduce new pages as needed, ensuring your visitors have easy navigation to everything you offer. With Site Design, you have the tools to modify the overall style of your site. Play around with fonts, color schemes, and background images to ensure they reflect your brand essence. Explore the option to Add Apps, where you can incorporate additional functionalities. Whether it's integrating a booking calendar for performances or linking your social media channels, apps broaden what your site can do for you and your fans. Finally, consider clicking on Highlight within the editor. This feature emphasizes crucial areas of your site like a new album release or an upcoming concert. A well-highlighted section can grab visitor attention and draw them into engaging further with your content. There you have it. Following these steps, you can set up an impressive Wix website that not only resonates with your artistic persona, but also effectively engages with your audience, helping you stand out in the competitive music industry. Happy creating!